For me, yes, you love me, that fool. Rooster. Fish, take it and put it on the top.
I like snake.
Snake. Nice. Snakes.
I like
Rabbit.
rabbit.
Rabbit. Let's put rabbit on it. I don't
like cow.
Okay, take it. Take this cow. Felix, what animal don't you like?
I don't like that.
Tiger. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Oh,
Don't
I don't
like
like
frog. Let's put cubs one by one and animals one by one. Okay, like this. Animals and cubs. Let's go. 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 Good job. Let's clean up. Clean up. Everybody, let's go. I'm penguin. I'm penguin. 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 What animal is it? Penguin. You say what animal is it? Penguin. Okay, my name now we'll split the line. Who? I'm snake. Let's go. Snakes too. Let's go. Let's do and split it like a snake. I'm snake too. What? Stop. I like yellow. Okay, ready to catch? Ready. Steady. Catch. Okay, and put it here. Put it here. Put it here. That's it. So next one. Felix, what color do you like?
I like purple.
Purple. Ready to catch. Ready. Steady. Catch. Okay, put it here. Put it here in front of you. Well, next one. Violet, what color do you like?
I like pink.
Pink. All right to catch. Ready. Steady. Catch. Don't you like?
I don't like purple.
Okay, throw to me. To Pasha. Like this. Don't like green.
I don't like it.
Green light. Throw it to me. Throw it back to Pasha. Oh, I got it. Next up, Violet. What color don't you like?
I like.
No, I don't.
Like pink.
Pink. Good. Throw it back to me. 3 steps forward. 1 step. 2 steps. 3 steps back. Stop, go, and smell. I don't like skunk.
I don't like skunk.
Skunk. How about you?
Он очень пугливый.
I don't
Like skunk.
Skunk. You say, I don't like skunk.
I don't like
Skunk.
skunk.
Penguin. Ready. Steady.
Go!
Ready. Sit closer. Ready. Steady.